today formula is quite simple. It will just return the current date, today date against the today. And then the if condition is the quite complex one. You can add as many as and an if condition or condition within the if. So we will be going to through it detail. So first we will be evaluating the if condition for single condition, if or and else. And after that we will go through the if condition included with the and at the end we will be going through our condition. So if it is simple, if it is above 10, you can simply put the message there, and otherwise in the else you can give any message there as well. So for condition like if it is age is 17, you can apply the formula 14 ager as well. So just to copy this, and then you can implement the formula here. So for sieve, for if it is greater than 12, you can say teenager, and similarly you can go for 20, 20s, 30s, 40s and 50s. So I will be just skipping it quite quickly. So here you can see I just applied a similar formula for everything. If it is C for cell 4 is cell C5 is above than 20 19, I can implement 20, and then if it is cell 6 is C6 is greater than 19, I can say 30. So for similar condition I have applied 3 and for 4 conditions as well. So I think it is not the best practice. So you have to select the different tabs slabs there, like for after each 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 each, there should be multiple conditions. So now we will be implementing those conditions now. So let's go to the E column and I will be implementing those conditions here. If condition, if it is the condition is exceeding, you can print anything, and in the else condition you can implement the formula as well. You can again put the if condition there. So you can add as many as if conditions if you want, and I will be entering the formula which will be uh, feasible for all 5 cells: 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So let's start with that, and again I will be going quite quickly for that. S- So there is the if condition for that all the scenarios, and you can see the output there. So if similar conditions, and it is giving you the results. Now I can go to the or condition. I will be implementing the or condition for false. If both values become false, it will be going to the else part. So you can say if C greater than 11 or C4 greater than 17, it should say in teens age, otherwise in 20 or above. So you can see now, if any of the condition is getting false, it is saying us 20 or above. And if I repeat same condition for C4 and 5, you can see the message has changed because one of those conditions became for true. So hope you understand the if and or condition.